This is a brief introduction to the fixed interest engine. The fixed interest engine is designed for the day-to-day management of fixed interest portfolios in Australia. The system is designed for single or multi-users. It may be used on a standalone PC, a laptop, or a network. The system is designed to manage all common fixed interest assets available in Australia, including bank deposits, bills, PNs, CPs, etc., term deposits, bonds and semis, floating rate notes, including pass-through securities, index-linked bonds, and futures and options of the SFE. The system allows multiple portfolios and stores all deal data and can therefore generate portfolio holdings for any date in the past. Mandate rules are checked every day and for every deal. Daily performance is calculated for each portfolio and for each benchmark. Two portfolios are shown here. Double-clicking a portfolio brings up the current portfolio holdings. Holdings for a past date can be accessed by checking this date. Let's go back a bit. The end of the previous year. Here we have the portfolio as at the 31st of December. Returning to the current date. Deal entry is simple. To add cash to a portfolio, to transfer money between accounts, transferring 1 million, 1M, here we can see the transfer of $1 million from State Street to NAB. To buy a bill, select the bill issuer, let's say ANZ NAB. Let's create a new security, 25th of August. File, save. Security has been created on the fly. We can see a list of other securities there. Let's say we're going to buy 2 million, and let's say the yield is going to be 2.85. Broker, select ANZ. I'll just uncheck those for the time being. Select the Austriclear code. Click OK. I won't print the deal slip. And here we can see the deal has appeared on the cash due tab. So we've bought 2 million ANZ. Sorry, we bought this one. 2 million ANZ bank bills, 25th of August 2014. There's the price. The money came from the default bank account, which in this case is State Street. To buy a term deposit, select the counterparty, create a new term deposit starting from today, and let's say it's going through to 27th of the 10th, and let's say the fixed rate is 3.45. File, save. We're going to deposit 2 million, which will accumulate to 2,034,000, etc. as at maturity date. Select an Austriclear code. Click OK, and there we see the term deposit, WBC term deposit 3.45%, which is the fixed rate between the 27th of April and the 27th of October 2014. To buy a bond, start typing in the name, let's say New South Wales Treasury Corps, let's say we're going to buy 1 million. That's the yield from the database. Will be a bit more adventurous. I'll just uncheck a few things. Select a broker. In this case we'll select CBA and the Austraclear. Not that one, that one. There we have the capital price, the accrued, the gross price, the amount to pay. Click OK. Click refresh. So here we have bought for settlement on the 30th of April 1 million TCOR, 1st of February 2018. Notice that the term deposits and the bank bills were same day settlement, whereas the bond is usually a 3 working day settlement. Mandate rules are rules that the portfolio must satisfy at all times. Click this button to show the mandate rules for this portfolio. There can be any number of mandate rules. Mandate rules are made up of two main parts. First, a sector or part of the portfolio, and second, a test or condition applied to that sector. Here the sector is autos, and the test is that all the stocks in the auto sector must be less than 20% by market value of the portfolio. Every day and on every deal, each active rule is tested. To test the mandate, I will enter a trial trade of 100 million Commonwealth Government 2033 bonds to ensure a violation. Here we see that there are one or more violations. Trial deals are only temporarily entered into the portfolio. They are not real deals, and when removed do not affect the portfolio. Performance is calculated daily for each portfolio and benchmark. Here we see the daily return, index, modified duration, market value, and various other extracts related to the performance of the portfolio. The performance relative to the benchmark can be seen in the front portfolio listing area. Australian Debt Fund, and here we see the performance of the fund relative to that of the benchmark. The fund in blue and the benchmark in red. The fixed interest engine has the ability to generate user-defined reports including bank transactions, portfolio holdings, purchases and sales, and several other extracts. holdings, reports can be viewed on screen, printed, converted to PDF, or presented in grid form and then exported to Excel. The fixed interest engine has the ability to analyze the portfolio in a range of maturity and sector buckets. This shows the percentage of the portfolio in each of the buckets. We can see the percentage of the benchmark in each bucket, or how much the portfolio is overweight in each bucket. Or we can see the same thing, except using contribution to modified duration. For the portfolio, for the benchmark, or the overweight position. Any number of analyses can be set up, each with user-defined sectors and maturity ranges. This has been a brief introduction to the fixed interest engine. I hope it is of interest to you, and thank you for watching.